In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a logout action to one of your links. So for example, if you're on a home page and you just want a link to be a logout action, for example, you can go ahead and add a link block or a button. In my case I'm just going to add a simple button there and select it, and I'm going to go over to my attributes and add the following attributes of WP and then login -area, and then click on that and add another one of element and then log out -URL. And if we want to redirect our link to a page, so when a user clicks on it, we can just type in Udesly Data as an attribute and a value of your slug. So if it's a contact -us for your page, then when the user clicks on this button, they'll be taken to the contact us page. Just make sure that is the slug of your page. For example, here you can see that my website.com/login. Now for best practice, what I recommend doing is adding a div block like so, and then putting that button into there, and then clicking on that div block and adding the following attribute. So WP conditional and then element user -status, and then add another one of Udesly data equals true. So it will only show this div block if the user is logged in. So now what we want to do is export our code. So if we just export, prepare our zip and download it, and then if we open the Udesly Adapter, upload our downloaded code, change whatever you want to change here, and then select the pages, and then we want to make sure our detail category is our blog archive if you have that set up. Our detailed post is our single post page if we have that set up, and then you'll see your login, lost password and register form down there set to generic, and then you can select next again and convert. Then download that template, save it to your computer and then upload it to your WordPress. And then when you jump over to your WordPress and you have activated the theme, go to Udesly settings, Webflow data, and just import the data like so. And then as you can see, we will have our login, lost password and register page there. And then when we go to our login page, so /login, as you can see we have our login there, and if we go to register, we have our register form there, and we can go ahead and fill it out like so. So I'm just going to fill out with a test password like so and hit submit. And as you can see, we have been given with an error because I have used the same email that's on this site. So if we just change that like so, and if I resubmit that with a different email, you can see we have given a nice thank you, your submission has been received notification. And then if we go ahead and go to our login link, we can then log in and we can select the remember me and log in. And then if we go to our home page, you can see we are logged in with our admin panel at the top. So that's how the login system works. If you want to customize your submission notification when a user logs in and submits their form, you just click on a form, go to the settings and click on success. You can go ahead and add any element inside this div here. So it'll be handy to add a button inside there so users can go home when they are logged in. And also you can add any additional elements around this and design it as you see fit. Now if I go into my lost password and I type in the email address that I have used to just sign up with that test account and hit submit, we get the same notification. Again, you can customize that. And if I head over to my email, I will get a lost password request, and then when I click onto that link I can set a new password there. So if I just do test 0102 there, and I hit submit, I'll be given with the same notification there. Again, you can customize that and prompt users to log in. And then lastly, if I just try this again, so if I just go ahead and log in with my email, so username of test and test0102 for password, and I hit submit. As I've just typed in that password incorrect, we get a nice notification there. But if I just type in the correct password and I hit submit, we can see that we are logged in if I go to the home page of the site. So if you want users to be redirected from a certain page if they aren't logged in, or if they are logged in, you can click add new rule, select login status, and then just choose whether they're logged in or not logged in. And then if I go to a page and add a new page and just call this new page, go on to the redirect rules on the right hand side and just select the redirect rule of test login, and then just type in a URL you want to link to. And this could be an external URL or it could be another page. So there you go, that's how you can use the login form on your design.